Ever wondered how the wealthy keep getting wealthier? Well, the secret often lies in their investment strategies. Investments in their simplest form are assets or items acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation over time. However, not all investments are created equal. They come in different types, each offering unique benefits and risks. Today, we'll delve into this exciting world of investments, and hopefully, by the end, you'll have a better understanding of where you might want to put your money. First up, let's talk about stocks. Stocks are essentially shares of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder in that company. The main benefit here is the potential for high returns. Companies often pay dividends to their shareholders, and if the company does well, the value of your stocks could skyrocket. Next, we have bonds. Think of bonds as a loan you give to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back the full amount plus interest after a certain period. The beauty of bonds is their stability. They're considered a safe investment because the return is predictable. You know exactly how much money you'll get back and when you'll get it. Then, there are mutual funds. These are a collection of stocks, bonds, and other securities. When you invest in a mutual fund, your money is pooled with other investors' money and managed by a professional. This diversification reduces risk and offers a chance for a decent return. Real estate, another type of investment, involves purchasing a property and earning income through rent or selling it at a higher price in the future. Real estate can provide a steady cash flow and potential tax benefits. However, it requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing management. Lastly, we have commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Investing in commodities is a good way to hedge against inflation. As the cost of goods rises, so does the value of your commodities. So, what have we learned today? First, investing is an essential strategy for building wealth over time. Second, there are different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and commodities. Each type has its benefits, from the high potential returns of stocks to the stability of bonds, the diversification of mutual funds, the steady cash flow of real estate, and the inflation protection of commodities. Remember, the best investment strategy depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It's not about finding the perfect investment, but rather the right mix of investments that work for you. Always consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any significant investment decisions. Investing might seem intimidating at first, but with a little knowledge and guidance, it can become an empowering tool for financial growth. So don't be afraid to take that first step into the world of investments. Your future self will thank you.